All right, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like building a sales funnel is way harder than it should be? You know the drill, you've got an offer, you've got traffic, but the funnel, the thing that's supposed to turn visitors into leads, feels like a mountain you'll never climb. Agencies charge $2,000 and make you wait a week. Freelancers take forever. And if you try to do it yourself, it's not one job, it's 6. Research, lead magnet, landing page, copywriting, outreach, and nurture. 6 jobs, 6 headaches, and that's exactly why the campaign in your head is still sitting in your head. But here's the good news. You don't need 6 jobs. You don't need $2,000. You don't even need a week. Because today, I'm going to show you how to build a complete sales funnel that actually converts visitors into leads using LeadFlux AI. LeadFlux AI is an AI-powered marketing platform that aims to help businesses create a complete lead generation campaign from a small amount of input, typically your business niche and offer. Based on its promotional materials, it is designed to automate several tasks that are usually required to build a sales funnel.
Look at what's on this screen. A lead magnet people actually want. A capture page that converts. A follow-up sequence that does the selling for you. An agency will charge you $2,000 to build this and make you wait a week for it, which is why most people never build one at all. And here's the real problem. It isn't one job, it's 6. And 6 jobs is exactly why the campaign in your head is still sitting in your head. So we built this. This is LeadFlux AI. You give it 2 things, your niche and your offer. That's the entire input. Everything after that it builds for you. It starts by learning who you're actually selling to, what they're afraid of, what they want, the exact words they use when they complain about the problem you solve. Then it writes the thing they'll trade an email address for. Not a thin PDF nobody opens, something they'd have happily paid for. Then it's the page that captures them, and you've got 3 ways to build it. You can build it yourself and drag every element exactly where you want it. Or you can open the catalog. 150 design pages across 40 industries. Yours is in there. You pick one and it loads, ready to make it yours. Now look closely at this. That's not a template. That's not AI slop. That looks like a designer built it for one client and charged them properly for it. That was the bar, and we didn't ship until we hit it. And the AI writes the words for you, the headlines, the bullets, the copy that converts. You get 2 variants so you can test which one wins. Then you point that page at your email platform. Brevo, MailChimp, ConvertKit, 7 of them, ready to go. And every lead that page captures lands in your list automatically. You'll never touch a spreadsheet again. And if you'd rather send them somewhere else, you can wire it straight into Zapier. That's 7,000 other apps. Your CRM, your Slack, your spreadsheets, whatever you already run your business on. Then it writes the cold emails that start the conversation. And it writes the follow-up that turns a stranger into a buyer, while you're busy doing something else. So that's research, lead magnet, page, copy, outreach, and nurture. 6 jobs in one afternoon, and all of it is yours. So it's $2,000 of agency work and a week of waiting. Or it's $37 one time with no monthly fee. Use it for 30 days, and if it doesn't build you a campaign you're proud to send, you take your money back. The launch price ends when the launch does. So click the button below and build your first campaign before lunch.